now we are moving on from all these to the minis and that. I did end up keeping in here, like, the captives, so let's just get those. Spinosaurus, Sticky Moloch, which is technically my sister's. Here's the T-Rex, and here's the Mosasaurus. And then we have this wild pop-up T-Rex, wild pop-up Carnotaurus, Snap Squad Toro, Snap Squad Mosasaurus. Really wish I could get, I really want to get some more of these Snap Squads, they're really nice. Snap Squad Stegosaurus. And we got a mini Baryonyx, another mini Baryonyx, minis Iguanodon, minis Bistovinator, minis Elasmosaurus, mini Sears, little tiny T-Rex that came with Maisie, minis Velociraptor, minis Nothosaurus, minis Pyroraptor, minis Albertosaurus, orange Dimorphodon, minis Stego, gray Dimorphodon, 93 classic Baby Raptor, minis Tyrannosaurus, minis Krugops, I think it is, Baby Bumpy, minis Brachiosaurus, minis Boreapelta, random Ankylosaurus that came with a Mattel guy, minis Kentro, minis Penta, minis Tupendactylus, minis Herrerasaurus, random this Jurassic World thing, I forget what brand it is, and 3 of my compies, one's missing. Anyways, that is it for the collection here. I certainly do have a lot. I am going to get more because I want to get more and I have more money to spend. Well, I still have allowance and yeah. I'll probably get some, I'm going to be getting some BOTM soon, Beast of the Mesozoic, though. Actually, I think it might be 60 days for something with my, like, savings account to work out so I can do it, but anyways, goodbye.